now we have to remove the battery. So the battery has this. It's a small connector mounted on a flexible PCB. It goes like this. So I guess we have to remove this circuit in order to be able to access that connector. Okay, let's try to do it. Okay. So in general we have to be careful because even if the phone is turned off, but there is electricity around the circuits because we have battery. So the phone will be truly turned off only when the battery will be disconnected. And this means that we have to be careful not to create short circuits. Okay. Okay, here we have it. Let's see how we can do it. So I use this plastic tool, which is very convenient, to try to lift the circuit very gently. This is not possible because we still have other screws. So this phone is a good phone, but it's so difficult when you want to remove the battery. They could have done it in a way that it was simpler, but what can we do? It's like this. Okay. Here it is. Okay, all those things are very delicate, but not that much. Okay, let's put this apart. And so finally, we should be able to open this. Let's see if it is true or not. Okay. Yes, it moves. Okay. Wow, this thing is full of connections. Okay. What is this thing here? Okay, so there's a cable connected to this. Let's see. Okay, now it moves more, but still not completely. Let's try to move the battery. So maybe by moving the battery, okay, this will reveal how it's connected. Okay, so now it's a little bit better. I see the connector of the battery. It's on the other side of this circuit. So the connector, I have to be careful because it's attached to many things. The connector of the battery is this thing here, underneath this cable. So I probably have first to remove that cable and then I can have access to the battery. Let's see if it is possible to do this. It's difficult. Okay, removed it. Now I will remove the connector of the battery. Okay. And finally I can extract the battery. Oh, wow, it's like a sandwich. So look at the difference. So the thickness of the old battery is probably the double of the original one. So it's very bad. Okay. Now we want to put this one.